Bricks, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food, Spanish town.
Waaah, Gwaan YouTube, you don't know it's Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my healthy green smoothie for breakfast, so stay tuned. In today's video, I will be making a green smoothie. So I will be showing you guys the ingredients. So I will be using frozen mangoes, a bit of almond milk, overripe banana, some organic mixed kale, also an avocado, half of an avocado, and some fat-free yogurt. So let's go. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna be adding a cup of mangoes, and it's written here so I can see the measurements. So I'm gonna be adding a cup of mango. That's about a cup. I'm gonna be adding a cup of kale. And make sure you wash your kale. So the kale is washed, and yeah, this is about a cup. Okay, I'm gonna be adding a half cup of almond milk. And this is the original one. You can use vanilla if you would like as well. So I'm putting a half cup. Okay. And now I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of water. I'm just gonna grab it from the fridge. I got my 1.5 cup. Because there is stuff in there, the water level kind of rose. I'm gonna add my yogurt. So when it comes to adding almond milk and yogurt, it's very optional. You could have either or, you could add both. I add both because I really want to feel full for a long time. So that is why I add both. I'm gonna add a banana, and this is overripe. The riper it is, the sweeter everything tastes, and as you can see, it's actually very ripe. I would never eat a banana like this. I don't know about you guys, but I'm scared of these black spots. Like, I don't know. But I will blend it in a smoothie. And then I got my avocado. Now that is all my ingredients. So I'm just gonna put the lid on and we're gonna start blending. And you may get a little bit more, but you can save it for later, or you can use it as a shot. And then I'm gonna grab a straw. And there you have it, guys. This is my nice, nutritious green smoothie. Let me have a taste. Very nutritious, very green. Tastes really good. Not overly sweet, but it's just sweet enough. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. We don't know mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no auntie, no everybody. And stay tuned for the next video.